My name's Falco. We're on location today at the E-Walk ramp, and I'm going to teach you Smith grind reverts. This trick is going to be easier on a steeper quarter pipe. The steeper the quarter pipe, the better you can lock in and the farther you can grind. The first thing you're going to want to learn is frontside slashers and frontside 50/50s. Once you have those, work on your frontside Smith grinds. When you're really comfortable with the frontside Smith grinds, it's time to do the frontside Smith grind revert. Ride up the ramp with a frontside angle. Lock in like this. Back foot on the tail with a lot of pressure, front foot pointed, and tilted a bit like that. Grind, 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 and when you're ready, you want to release the front foot a little bit and bring those shoulders around frontside. The scariest part of this trick is committing to the frontside revert. When you're ready, you're just going to have to go for it and see what happens. Usually, you don't take a bad slam. Good luck and have some fun. Thanks for watching.